Okay, so here we go. Guess what? There's example number 2, solving the system by graphing. Holy smokes, look at the mess that we're in here. Oh my goodness, these are just ugly. Look at that, that's ugly, but you actually know just by looking at that, that's gotta be a quadratic, so it's gotta be parabola shaped, okay? So is this one, that's gonna be a nice parabola. Are we actually gonna sit out and we're gonna waste our time trying to figure out the vertexes and everything for this? Honestly, no. What I'm suggesting you do, plot this guy, plot that guy, both into your calculators, and then away we go. Find out where they intersect. Should be a lot more fun. Well, in order to plot into your calculator, they'll all have to be y equals 2. So let's call this one the y1. Okay, so bring all of this mess over onto the other side. So y1 equals to minus 2x squared minus 16x, and there's that minus 26 that was sitting out there already. Then, here we go. This one here has to be done the same way. This one's going to be interesting because this is already a minus, so I would bring it over to this side, leaving you with x squared plus 8x equaling to y minus 19, and then I would go out and I would just add the 19 to both sides here and here. That cancels it out, leaving you y equals to x squared, x squared plus 8x plus 19. I wouldn't even bother PSAing, I wouldn't bother anything. I would throw this directly into the calculator and see what happens. So let's bring up our calculator. So I just put the equations in there for you, all right? Making it a little bit simpler, making this podcast a little bit shorter. So there's your minus 2x squared minus 16x minus 26, 8 squared plus 8x plus 19. And let's graph it. Let's see what this looks like. There's one, and there's the other. Of course, obviously, how many answers you're going to get? Yeah, 2. One here, one here. Let's find them. Second calc, find the intersect, which is 5, and let's mouse it over there and let's see what we got. Okay, so let's find this first one. Here we go. Where are you? There it is. There it is. Enter, enter, enter. And you get minus 3, 4. There's your first answer. Minus 3, 4. Let's find the other answer. Second calc. Find the intersect, 5, and mouse it over. Yada, 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 yada. There it is. Enter, enter, enter. And I've got, oh, look at this. Minus 5, 4. And there's your solutions. You don't have to do anything more than the rearrangement of those equations, throw it into your calculator, find the intersects, and away you go. It's not until we get into the next unit or the next section here where we're actually going to be doing things graphically and then algebraically and finding these actual solutions using algebra. But you know what? You can always verify it by using your calculator.